Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Nay, kita niyo guys. Kita mo na guys. Tangkaw ng manok guys. Hora ning kita yo guys kay. Parasa ba? Wow. Wow guys, wow. Areta sa namo ko sabay sa igsoon sa akong asawa guys. Then para makita na to ba mag banding-banding managsaba. Sa backyard guys. Wow. We have a lot of plants. Very nice. Atong kuanon kay gialihan ko guys, di ko pasudlon guys. Okay. Okay. Nakasod na ko guys. First, see guys.
Wow.
This is a very fresh sili. Kita mo na guys. Very fresh.
Wow.
See guys, oh. Sobrang fresh guys. Ang Uber jenis boy guys, mukhang sigli na ang Uber. This is alugbati guys. Very healthy alugbati guys.
Wow.
Tama na guys. Napod sila kamunggay. Aha. This is moringa leaves. Healthy.
Wow.
Napod sila sibuyas na malnures. Sibuyas na malnures guys. Ano yung lambot? Napod sila pitsay. Dili na mga guys ha. Ingon magakog napod sila lahan Wow.
Wow.
Very nice garden. Napod sila papaya. Papaya guys. Hino guys. Ngit. Sila papaya guys. Leron sinta. Sini. Murag kuan siguro ne. Sukwa. Lagway. Yaw ko daghanag tanom yawag mga backyard oy. Napod sila tinulang manok. Tinulang manok guys. Yeah. Ang sili. Hindi ang sili guys. Hangam din yung buwangan eh. Okay guys, siguro guys. Tabang guys, hanggang guys. That's it for today guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, then